Siya natagam na ko na guys. So hey guys, what's up? It's me, myself, and I, and today is Sunday, and guess what? We're back in Cebu. Nibalik it big Cebu nga wa tuyo guys, kay it is needed to work. So we were called back, and we don't have a choice. So this past few weeks has been very busy para gid sa mga kasi we need to like start from ground zero and nangita pa mig bago nga apartment, ngita pa kanang mga things na kinahanglan and as much as possible nagdala gid mig mga butang nga makuha sa kanamitan not necessarily nga palito na diri sa Cebu. Most especially like electric fan, rice cooker, butane burner kay it's gonna cost us a lot if diri pa may magpalit. And daghan pa kay mig need paliton like bed, like foam. We have a lot of challenges get going here, most especially that we plan to like Dalaog Motor there is a Cebu because it would be a lot convenient because you'll be beating traffic, time consumption. Good thing there are people around us who helped us nga kanang madala conveniently ang motor there. So sa mga gapang kana gi sakay lang naman ang motor from Bukidnon to Cagayan de Oro via Hilux. So we rented a Hilux from a friend in Cagayan de Oro City, which only costs us 1,800 pesos. Then we paid for the driver, which is 800 pesos, plus an estimated around 1,000 to 1,500 nga gas. So we only spend like 1,300. So in total, sa pagdala sa motor from Bukidnon to Cagayan de Oro costs us at around 3,900 pesos. So that's like very convenient for us as well because we don't need to kanang magsakay bus, dala sa mga bagay tapos pag-abot din sa Agora kay dalo na pud sa Pantalan. And so pag-abot dito, diretso na pag-abot sa Pantalan, ang motor diretso na. And for those who are asking, yes, naibayad ang pagdala og motor. It's not free. So, ang pliti namo so far is 1,585 per pax. And ang motor costs at around 2,400. Napa na siya pakapinsinsilyo, but yeah, it's 2,400. And pag abot na mo diri sa Cebu, of course, gidrive na mo ang amuang motor. Padulong sa among apartment, which is buyag nakakita na mig apartment with the help of my friend. So what we did is our things, amo na lang siyang gipa-deliver via Lalamove. And we only paid, I think, 200 pesos. And so, yeah, nakaabot na gid mi finally din sa among humble abode. And if you can see at my back, mapataw na ang plaster sa ako mga things, guys. May jewelry boxes in there. May sudlay, mga makeup. And ang ako tao mga sanina guys, naapa siya sa akong mga maleta but that's okay. Mag-order na guro ko sa Shopee puhunog ka ng mabutangan og mga sanina because I'm really planning to do that. So I realized nakalas kaayo kay of course 'di ba we've been living in Cebu for like almost 4 years now and we have already invested sa among apartment before. And then katong ka-realize mi nga we need to go back to Bukidnon. Di pa maligyan na mo tutunan even our refrigerator or everything furnitures nga na dito sa among old nga apartment. And now we're starting back from ground zero. But that's okay. I guess that's how life works. We're dealing with it right now and actually it excites me at the same time kay sayangan ko kay we have already established business ba sa Bukidnon. So, wala. I guess that's not God's plan after all. So, ang ako na lang motivation, no, na naami balik here sa Cebu kay a busy new life and seeing your workmates. Yeah, because I've been working from home for like almost 4 years now and we're finally back. And ang ga-inspire na lang gid ako guys kay mag-fit check every day. Like, ma-inspire na lang ko mag-work kay ma-excite ko kay halaon sa akong suoton karon. Ana kay anyway, and it's very rainy. Actually, I was just informed nga na day bagyo. If wala mi nag-meeting, I wouldn't have known nga na day bagyo. But yeah, it's affecting Cebu City right now. So, and it's very rainy sa gawas. We're supposed to like gala. But I guess we're not doing that today. And we just did a little groceries kay dili min pwede magdinaghan og grocery kay wala lagi mi ref. So just bought our necessities. And yeah, that's how my Sunday went like. So I hope you guys are having a nice Sunday too.
Anong dynamite?
Nguyong mo na. Lagi gisang ginawa. Ay, sige.
Ha?
Ano ba yan? Hi guys, it's me. And today is Sunday. It's actually, I think, around 7 p.m. na. And we just got home from somewhere else because this has been a very busy Sunday for me. And daghan kayo gibuhat karon guys, like nakalaba ko. Achievement na siya kay panagsara kay ko mga laba. Nya ikaduha, newly transferred ba mi diri sa Cebu. So we have so less nga mga gamit panlaba, of course, like planggana, balde, and I don't even have brush, guys. Grabe to pag mag-brush kag denim. Do you even brush your denim? I brush my denim. So our things are not complete. But the good thing is I was able to do my laundry. And that is such an achievement. Kaya even sa malay-balay, dili kay ko gapang laba. It's either magpa-laundry ko or magpalaba ko sa kong mga manghod. And karon wala man tayo choice. Wala na lang sa may nagpa-laundry sa laundry shop din hikay. We just did that last Tuesday, and the remaining laundries that I have is kinabit akong mga trousers and mga pang-office nga mga sinina. So I don't really want that to kanang ipalaban nimo kay madaot siya. Natagam na ko na guys. So yeah, I did it myself, and that is such an achievement for me. Anyway, after sa paglaba, nag-chill ra gid me the whole day, like scroll sa Facebook, and I actually created a new Facebook page for our new, not new, but for our clothing business. We actually started that in Malaybalay, but more tentative pa to siya kay we were just testing products. But now we realize nga, you know what, since we're back in Cebu, why don't we try to sell this in Cebu? So I created a Facebook page. It's called Dark Verse Clothing Co. You can search it via Facebook and Instagram. We also have an Instagram account. To give you a summary about what our clothing company is, it's clothing company that only sells t-shirts, black t-shirts to be exact. And the designs are a full picture of anything that links to dark universe, dark aesthetics, ganon. So if you are fond of dark universe or dark aesthetic, you might want to check that out. Anyway, so around mga 3 p.m., we have decided nga mag-church. And yes, we did that. Nakasimba mi, buyag, buyag, buyag. And, I'm really hoping we can maintain that. Kay, to be honest lang gid guys, dili gid ko really religyosa. Re, re, religyosa, no? However, I am trying sugdan bitaw nga magsimba-simba na ko balik eh. The tipok na gid ako mga sala guys. Like kinahanglan na gid nako siya bawas-bawasan gamay. I need to like reflect and nag-ask sa the guidance no kay oh my god, I have a lot of challenges these past few months. So yeah, we went to ID Park to eat ginabot. And gahi kayo siya guys. Yung mabala ka kabakay, kana bitong mga tangtaon yung mga brackets sa akong braces. So, naghinay ra pod in taon tag sima-sima di adto no niya. Moto, nagkaon may ginabot tapos panulak dayog coke. Busog, solve kaayo. Ang i-partner din sa ginabot guys kay puso. If you know puso, kana bitong rice nga kana isulod sa kana marag diamond, diamond nga, lukay sa lubi. I don't know how it's called, guys. Basta ka ng rice nga, ibutang ipor mo siya diamond nga. Basta, puso ang tawag ana. Puso. And I think tag 5 pesos man ata tong puso din so makahurot ka if normal eater lang ka or dili ka kusog mo kaon dyan, makahurot ka mga 2 to 4 cup puso. And if lalaki ka tapos kusog ka mo kaon, makahurot kag mga 9. Kay gagmay gid siya, guys. Napon siguro yung dagko pero I don't see dagko nga puso recently. So yeah, nilahos na tayo ni Miguel Idini and now we're chilling. I'm about to do my skincare pero ano ako nga mag-vlog sa ako kan wala na jud ko stories sa akong vlog, guys. Anyway, that is just a quick update about what's going on with my life right now. Thank you so much, guys. That's it.